Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker assembly in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers and a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker assembly. The automatic ice maker is designed to produce and eject the half-moon shaped ice cubes. If there's no ice cubes, check your ice maker and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Pull out the ice bin. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the rear screw. Then loosen up the front screw and drop the rail down. Using the flathead screwdriver, pry open and remove the ice maker head cover. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, loosen up 2 mounting screws on the top of the ice maker. Raise the ice maker arm. Remove the 1/4-inch screw at the bottom of the ice maker and finally lift up and remove the old ice maker assembly from the wall. Turn it sideways and then using the flathead screwdriver, push the tab and remove the wire plug from the ice maker head. Take the fuse out of the metal clamp. Disconnect the wire plug inside the freezer. Let's take it to the workable place. Using the flathead screwdriver, pry out the ice maker arm and remove it from the water cup. Put it aside, we are going to reuse it. Turn the ice maker over and using the 1/4-inch nut driver, take out the 3 screws and detach the base. This is the old ice maker assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, secure the base to the ice maker with the 3 screws. Install the ice maker arm onto the new ice maker assembly. One end into the opening in the ice maker's head and the other end in the hole in the water cup. Make sure the arm works. Bring the new ice maker into the freezer, place it on the side, connect the wire plug, slide the fuse under the metal clip. Connect the wire plug at the rear. Slide the ice maker cup onto the inlet tube and then hang the ice maker on the 2 screws and tighten them with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Make sure the ice maker water inlet tube is inside the cup. Install the bottom 1/4-inch screw. Lower down the ice maker arm. Lift the rail and secure it with the 2 screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Slide the ice bin in and close the door. And plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.